Hey, it's JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're going to explore how to add some Phillips head screwdriver functionality to a Swiss Army knife that does not have a Phillips head screwdriver. So this is the Victorinox Spartan. It's got a basic tool set and it's got the corkscrew behind. This is the Tinker. It's got an identical tool set, but the back tool is replaced with that Phillips head screwdriver. So it really depends what you want. However, I know a lot of people would like to have best of both worlds. Why not if you can? And some people do find that it's more functional to have a corkscrew. You can put in a mini driver and other tools inside here as well. Well, that's what we're going to discuss today. But first, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member. Thanks a lot. Previously, I did a video which talked about the functionality of the corkscrew and Phillips head screwdriver, so do check out that video in the link in the card above or description below. But today we're going to focus not on the Tinker, which has the back tool of the Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to talk about something like this. Now, I should mention, if you are looking for a Swiss Army knife that has the corkscrew but also has an inline Phillips head screwdriver, there are options. They are bigger. The most obvious that comes to mind would be the Swiss Champ. That's a really big one. But you can also get the Explorer, which has the inline Phillips head screwdriver and a magnifying glass. However, I do find that a bit too thick for my liking for urban EDC. I do prefer something thinner. So what are the options if you want to have something like this with the corkscrew, but you also want to have that Phillips head screwdriver functionality? I think the most obvious is to carry some kind of a separate tool. You could no doubt carry a small Phillips head screwdriver, but in my case, what I've been doing for many years is to carry it in my key bar, which is my key holder, and I do have the Phillips head screwdriver as a tool there. So just nice, it just fits the missing space I have. So that combined with that, I do have the functionality of the Phillips head screwdriver, and this is something I would carry anyway. So that makes sense for me. Now, other things that you could do is, of course, carry a separate multi-tool, such as this 58mm Swiss Army knife. This is the Mini Champ with the light edition. And this has a Phillips head driver inside. In fact, there are several models with the Phillips head driver. Let's get that out over here. Now, it is small, but it's pretty mighty, pretty useful. And again, as a complement, if you have a very basic, larger Swiss Army knife, this would be a nice complement. And then you do have that Phillips head screwdriver if you like. Now, if you do not want to carry a separate tool and you just really want a driver for whatever reason, here's one option. It's a Phillips head driver keychain, so you can attach it to the keyring over here, and then you have that attachment. So yes, it's still, I guess, kind of part of the same tool because they are attached together, and just take it as a keychain. But if you need, you can use that driver option. Now, another option that's similar to this but gives you a bit more functionality in terms of switching out the driver is to look for something like this. So this is a bit holder. Also, it's got that hole where you can thread in the keyring, and that allows you to just push up like that, and that can release the bit. And in this case, I've got a double-headed bit, so I could technically fit that in, drop that in, and that locks in. And depending on what you want, you can find the right options for you. And then you have that double bit driver capabilities to complement your basic knife. So that's it. It's a really short video, but those are some ideas of how you can add some Phillips head functionality to your Swiss Army knife. Do you have any other ideas besides these, and besides, switching to a bigger Swiss Army knife which has both the inline Phillips head screwdriver and the corkscrew? I'd love to hear your comments and suggestions in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.